Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create different voices with Suno AI. First of all, what you have to do is head over to the suno.com. It's a website where you can create different voices with the help of AI. So once you're entered into the website, what you have to do is click on this custom button. Before that, you have to sign in with your account. So you have to create an account. Once you're signed in, click on the custom button, which is on the top left corner. Now from here, what you have to do is you can also open a new tab, and you can go to the home screen and open any of the song from here. For instance, I have opened this song. What I will do, I will go back and I will click on the three dotted button and click on the create. And then what I will do, I will click on reuse prompt. As you can see, I'm back to this page. Now I can use the other prompt, or you can also upload your own prompt. So then what you have to do is, if you want to change the voice, for instance, what you have to do is hit enter and input a square bracket. And here you have to enter any name. For instance, if you want to use a male voice, you can enter any name. For instance, I will enter Williams. And in this section, if I want to use a female voice, I will input a square bracket, and I will enter a new name for female. What you have to do after that, you can scroll down and just simply click on create. Once it has been created, you can open any of them. For instance, I will click on open or play. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.